So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 6th till the 12th of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading, healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what we have, Pisces. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. I have the Eight of Pentacles. This is somebody who feels like putting in the effort and energy into something that's going to give them the results of their hard work. Okay, let me clarify this. But they feel like creating something here step by step, not in any kind of rush or hurry, not in this energy of, oh my God, I have to do everything right now only. Okay, let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles as their feelings. Cool. So I have Three of Swords and the Five of Swords and the Hermit. They have severe trust issues in the situation between you and them, right? They feel like they should recover from this heartbreak, this hurt and the pain slowly but surely. They feel like they should come out of the stressful energies of separation or breakup, or maybe some kind of rift is going on between you guys right now, fight or issues are going on, and they feel like they should use their wisdom, knowledge, experiences, and all the lessons that they have learned till this point of their life in this department of their life to their favor, so that they are going to take things, they are not going to repeat or make the same kind of mistakes again. So they feel like recovering in the situation step by step, coming out of this painful experience step by step, learning from their past mistakes and not to repeat the same kind of mistakes again. There are severe trust issues here from this person's side in this dynamics. What is happening? Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? We have the Empress. From your side, you feel like there is still a strong potential in a situation to go somewhere. If you guys already have kids together, or if you're already pregnant, or the vice versa, or you guys are strongly in a committed relationship, you are still feeling this connection is going to give you everything that you always wanted to have. Okay, let's clarify the Empress as your feelings for this particular person or situation. I have the Death, the High Priestess, the Ace of Wands. Yes, you feel like you should not remain silent anymore. You should not behave, you don't care anymore. You should, there's some kind of passion ignited kind of energy from your side. Your intuition is also telling you to do something about a situation, because you know there's strong potential in the connection between you and this particular person. You feel like you should not behave mysteriously anymore. There should not be any kind of secret or mysterious kind of energies in the situation anymore. For some of you, you guys are planning to have a kid or something. That's why you feel like ignoring everything that's not working out, not like in a bitter way or something like, yeah, I want a kid so I don't care what they're feeling or something. No, you feel like, let's transform this connection into something beautiful. Let's create something magical together. Let's create a beautiful life together. So you are quite optimistic and positive. Even if things are going totally south, you feel like there is still a very strong potential in this situation to go somewhere and give you the kind of results that you want from a relationship. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? They're deliberately slowing things down because of the simple reason they don't want to get hurt, and they don't want to repeat the same kind of mistakes again, whether it's with you or with other people that they learned from. But with you, they don't want to repeat the same mistakes that they did in the past. Intentions is the moon card. This is your card only, Pisces. There's something about a situation that is not fully revealed or explained or properly being clear between you guys. There's something in the situation that is still not very much clear, that maybe they want to clear the air with you regarding something. Let's clarify the moon as their intentions. I have the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles and the Eight of Wands. Yes, this person wants to talk to you, like have to. This person wants to have heart-to-heart communication with you. Then after this heart-to-heart communication, they want to have this brand new beginning in this situation where the foundation is very strong. There are no ifs and buts and confusions and secrets or mysterious energies or something that is not explained properly or revealed properly. There should not be any kind of secret. There should not be any kind of missing piece of the puzzle kind of energy. Everything should be crystal clear between you guys. And this is how this person wants to move forward, by communicating properly, by having back and forth communication, by you know clearing the air with you with on every possible angle of the situation. And then they want to have this solid base for the situation to go somewhere, to land somewhere into a beautiful and positive place. That's what their intentions are, and they are quite good. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? I have the Ace of Cups. Okay, you also wants to keep your heart open, keep your, yes, feelings connected, super connected to this person. So you want to keep your heart open, optimistic and positive to the idea of let's do it. Let's do it and let's see what is going to happen next. Okay. You want to remain hopeful and positive and open to the idea of healing the situation between you and this person, whatever is going on. It can be a small fight, like you had a disagreement with someone, like with your person, and it created some kind of rift, or it can be a big thing, but you both of you are kind of wanting the same thing of healing the situation. Okay, before proceeding further, let me invite you one last time for the 10 days Osho Meditation Festival that's happening from tomorrow till the 14th of July 2026, 4:30 p.m. onwards in the afternoon, in which I'm going to teach you 10 Osho meditation techniques that are totally different from what we used to do in our day-to-day life. And then I'm going to teach you 5 Vigyan Bhairav Tantra meditation techniques also, that I'm going to take from Osho's Book of Secrets, based on this only, that you can use in your day-to-day life for self-realization and happiness. And one breathing exercise technique also that you can use in your day-to-day life for your nervous system regulation and mental and emotional regulation. So this is going to be 10 days of power-packed healing and spiritual start or restart, whatever you call it. And if you want to enter into Osho's world, the link is in the description box for the same. It's quite affordable. You like read everything properly, each and every instruction properly before you guys are going to apply, because the fees is non-refundable, honey. Cool. This was the last day. Till tomorrow 12 p.m, 2 p.m, maximum 2 p.m, you guys can apply, because 4:30 I'm going to start tomorrow. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Cups as your intentions here. I have Page of Swords, King of Wands, Seven of Swords. It's like both of you want the same thing from each other, but one of you is so hurt that they are not able to open up even if they want to. Other person is healed. They were also hurt, but now they have transformed. Now they have healed enough, and now they are ready to have a brand new beginning. Now what you want from the situation is, you want to see the situation where it can go. You want to give your full attention, full, you can say, investment and interest to the situation, and see where it can go. This Seven of Swords here is telling me, even if you want to give your 100% to the situation, you don't want to give your 100% to the situation. You want to pretend that you are giving, oh, I'm all into it, I'm 1000% into it, and I'm not like hiding any part of my feelings, I'm not hiding any part of my insecurity. That's what you want to do. Are you getting my point? You want to invest in it with all of your heart and soul, but at the same time, you don't want to lose yourself into it. So you are going to pretend, let's say, for example, if they are going to give you rose, and you are going to over pretend that you like the rose so badly that you have never seen that kind of rose ever in your life. Yeah. that over you want to show, but from inside you want to give it 50 to 60 to 70%. Yeah, because you just don't want to get all into the situation and get hurt. Little bit of you want to keep little bit of your energies to yourself also, like what if I'm going to get hurt, what if it's going to go down again, what if this will happen, what if that will happen. Nobody can tell you what will happen. Okay, so okay. I just hope you don't want to keep another option in the background. If this is not going to work out here, I'm going to go with another option. That is also a possibility, but the strong possibility here is not investing fully and pretending to invest more than fully. Okay, let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 12th of July 2026. Pisces. So we have Page of Cups. Okay, some kind of beautiful energies developing here. Just the development phase of starting something beautiful, positive with all of your heart and soul. Okay, it's not deep, it's not that much, oh my god, finally everything is falling into place. But it's starting of something really beautiful and positive and happy go lucky, but emotions are going to be a little bit sweet, but all over the place, a little bit, because it's page energy. Let's clarify. Learning energy, kid like energy. I have the Eight of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, and the Two of Cups. Yeah, everything is going to be fine. Slowly but surely, both of you are going to come on the same page of clarity and understanding that both of you are still in love with each other, both of you still need each other. This is like two people, two soulmates coming together, and this time they're making sure that they are going to make things happen slowly but surely, step by step. Hmm? One of you is going to have this open hearted energy of, okay, I want to talk to you, I want to start from the start, I apologize, message communication apology kind of energy is there. And that energy is going to make the other person also open up slowly but surely to the idea of being very very honest with each other and coming together in a very very beautiful positive way. It's like two soulmates coming together and starting or restarting a brand new chapter, and making sure this time they are going to take it step by step and slowly. Wow. I think you are the only one sign, Pisces, who got this much beautiful outcome this week. Every other sign got this. Yeah, they're coming, but they're not. Oh my God. I also get pissed off. And I think Virgo is the one who got the most embarrassing, not embarrassing, what is embarrassing? Nothing. Most brutal kind of outcome. I still remember I told them that I don't want to do these kind of readings, but I have to. Yeah, so we have the Chariot, the Ten of Swords, and the Eight of Swords. The guidance here is, if you're not sure about something or someone, talk to them. If you have your doubts, if you have your stories in your head that might or might not be true, talk to them. Communicate properly and listen properly. Just talking to somebody and not listening, or if you're talking to somebody, they're not listening and understanding what you're saying, that is not going to give you anything good in return. Before moving forward, whatever decision, whatever choice you are making regarding a situation, until unless you are going to have everything crystal clear right in front of you, everything sorted, everything aligned, don't make any kind of moves in that direction where you're not sure you should be going or not, because you are going to feel like you are entering into a shit show if you are not going to go ahead with a clear mind and clear understanding of where you are going and why you are going there. Okay, pretty clear energy of guidance. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Pisces. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. And what else? If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, now. Okay, so the answer to your question is go, the time is right. Go, the time is right. When you receive this card, it is encouraging you to take action now. There's no time like the present. Seize the moment. That's the answer for you, if this is making sense. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.